Here's how to duplicate a page in Canva. Open your Canva design first, then click the page you want to copy, so it's clearly selected. Once that page is active, press Ctrl and D on Windows, or Command and D on Mac. Canva will instantly create a duplicate of that page, usually placing the copy right after the original. If nothing happens, make sure you click the page itself and not just an element on the page, like text, an image, or a shape. That shortcut only works properly when the page is selected. You can confirm it worked by looking at the page panel or the sequence of pages in your design. You should now see two identical pages, one original and one copy. This is useful when you want to keep the same layout and only make small changes on the next version, instead of building the page again from scratch. If you need to duplicate the page more than once, just keep the page selected and use the same shortcut again. Each time, Canva will add another copy. After that, you can click into the duplicated page and edit the text, images, colors, or anything else without affecting the original. You're all set. Thanks for following along.